So the app idea is we want Juno users to be able to create their CVs. That's the general idea. And so there's new ways of working with AI to make this process very quick. What I've created here, I've done in the last 30 minutes. So you can see this is a CV creator, and it's got some 10 salient questions. What's your professional summary? So it's going to ask 10 questions. I mean, since doing this, I realised what I'd like to do is ask 3 questions and then suggest the next 7 questions. But it's low cost to produce this prototype, so this has given me a lot of good ideas of how I should work, and it's sort of showing how it could work. It would generate a CV, and this is what this could work. And I can imagine that under the covers, the AI would go to the personal website and then give me a URL to extract data to create the CV. So CV creation will be largely automated, and then you can view the CV and download the CV, and the CV would be stored in Juno Ensure, and it'd become part of the sort of compelling offering of Juno Ensure. We can start a new CV, and so basically it's CV management inside Juno Ensure, and you can look what else in there. So all this has been created by AI. So we generate a CV, and off we go. So this is a kind of, and this is all in Bubble. So this is all editable. So if I'm now in Bubble and I'm editing the generated app, and it's created some sample tables. So within sort of 30 minutes, we've gone from concept, we need a CV thing, to something that we can pull apart and discuss, and it's a prototype for discussion. And how I got there was, you needed a prompt. You need a 2,500 character prompt, and that's what creates this in here. And I'll just show you how I got to the prompt. And what's interesting about this is I asked ChatGPT, I said, can you create a prompt? Here's how to write the prompts as a guide from Bubble, and here's a technology strategy for the company. So in those 2 links, it describes a huge amount about WPMG, and I went through a few iterations to get it right, and then it produced an incredibly wordy, long prompt, very detailed. Basically, it produced a product requirements document, which was really good, and it looked at lots of resume builders, so that was a very good product requirements document, but it's not the 2,500 word prompt I needed. So I then went to a few more refinements, and I told it to produce a 2,500 character prompt. So that prompt is based on analysing all these sources. So it's gone and looked at lots of other CV prompt builders, AI prompt builders, and at the end of it, we've popped out with a kind of working, demonstrably working app, and I'll provide the link and you can have a look.